Hello students, till date we all have covered up to the topic of the introduction to electric field. Okay, today I shall convey you few information regarding electric field, strength at a point due to a point charge, and then we shall continue for electric field lines. So let us start. See, electric field due to a point charge. This one is very simple. As suppose we can say that here a point charge exists Q, and we have to find at another point P that what is the magnitude of electric field due to this charge, that is positive charge, okay, positive Q at distance r. So here electric field can be calculated by putting a positive test charge, and this test charge will experience a force in the direction away from this positive charge. As you know well that direction of electric field lines are just, it goes away from positive charge and it comes towards negative charge. Okay, this is what the direction of electric field line is. Okay, now here it is positive charge, it will go away because electric field line actually shows the path of movement of positive test charge in the vicinity of any given charge. Okay, means if any given charge is present, so in its vicinity where the charge or which direction the charge test charge will pose or move, okay, that direction is actually the direction of electric field. So here it is R. Now we can see that force can be calculated at point, that is Q into Q naught divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. If I see here this is F by Q naught, then that will be Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. And you know well this F by Q naught is actually electric field. It was explained in introduction. So here you can say it is E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. This is the value of electric field at a point P due to the given charge. This was the easiest topic and easiest one. This is the simplest concept that you have to understand and you have to know. Well, next point that we shall go for studying, that is electric field lines. Okay, I hope it is clear, and I wanted always to convey the knowledge in very simplest form. Okay, so keep it in mind for solving numericals, and to understand the concept you have to go for this. Okay, now what is electric field line? The first question arises, what is electric field line? Actually the electric field line is the pictorial mapping of the electric field in the given region of the charge. This is pictorial mapping and nothing else. Just it represents the picture of electric field around a charge. Is that clear? So suppose if here we have positive charge and we are drawing this line, these lines, okay. So what does it give? It just gives a pictorial mapping. But one thing must be clear, that number of lines are not important thing here. Anyone can draw infinite number of lines from any given point here in the vicinity of the given charge. Number of lines never matter, but the density of the lines matter. Okay, wherever the lines are denser, electric field intensity will be higher. If lines are less denser or density of lines are less, then electric field will be weaker. Here you can say lines are not very close enough, but here near the charge they are very close to each other, but away from charge they are very far away. Okay, so here the field will be weaker, and at this point field will be stronger. Means at P it will be stronger, at Q it will be weaker. And one more thing here also applies, that you can also see that here P is at very close distance, and you know well that E is inversely proportional to R square, the square of the distance between the charge and the point. So it is very clear that at P the field will be stronger and at Q the field will be weaker. Well, electric field line possess some important property. So what are the properties of electric field lines that we shall discuss here? Is that clear to you all? I think it is very clear. This one. Okay, fine. So next, we shall go for the properties of electric field lines. Basically, in NCERT you will be studying about 4 different properties. Well, whatever the properties are there, you can understand well. I shall tell you the basics. See here. First thing, electric field lines actually start at positive and ends at negative charge. Okay, starting at positive and ending at negative charge. Second thing, in charge free region, if there is no charge at all, okay, means suppose other charge is given and in front of that charge no any other charge is there, okay, so they will have continuous curve. They will be continuous curve without any break. Okay. Okay. Third point. Actually, this is the 4th point of NCERT, but I am telling you here 4th point, third point only. Okay. They do not form closed loop. This is the conservative nature actually. You know, magnetic field lines form closed loop. This is understandable here. This is magnet. This is north pole and south pole. It starts from north pole and goes to south pole, but it does not end here. It continues within the magnet, south to north. So these are forming loop. Magnetic field lines are forming loop. This is magnetic field line. But in electric field, it never happens so. Suppose this is positive charge, this is negative. It will start at positive and will end at negative. It will not form closed loop that positive से negative गया, negative से positive आया, ऐसा नहीं होगा. ठीक है? तो ये चीज ऐसे जाएगी और यहाँ पे negative पे end हो जाएगी. इस तरह से चलेगी. Is that clear? So they do not form closed loop. And last one, but not least, very important property, that electric field lines do not intersect each other at all. Okay? They do not intersect each other. Here the concept you can understand well. Okay, see here. The 4th one, you must note it down. That electric field lines do not intersect each other. Electric field lines do not intersect each other. Okay. Sorry, just some problem came here. A little bit second. Okay, fine. So electric field lines do not intersect each other. Here, suppose one field line is this and another is this, and at this point, if they are intersecting, so they may have 2 directions. Can at any point any test charge move in 2 directions at a time? At a time, can any test charge move in 2 directions? No, it is not possible at all. So experimentally it has not been found. We can say that if they intersect each other, there will be 2 directions at a point, which is absurd. If बेतुका है, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है, so they will not intersect each other. So these are the 4 different properties of electric field lines, and these are the very most important topics for understanding the concept of electric field. Okay. Now the next topic will be electric dipole, that I will be explaining you in the next video lecture. Thank you.